For this video, we're going to change the demand drive fluid in these Polaris Sportsman hubs. This is the second last video in this maintenance series, and you're going to need a 3/16 hex wrench, and what you got, you can remove the cap, but I don't want to risk getting dirt in there or wrecking that seal, so we're just going to remove the drain and fill plug. Have a drain pan underneath your hub. I did clean the surface off first, so I'm not going to drop any dirt in there. So keep track of that plug, and it does have a magnet on it, so clean that off. This one's kind of gross. And then what you want to do is just turn your hub facing down, drain it out, and then the fill is easy. You just turn it back up and you're adding just a little bit of fluid in there. And the proper procedure to fill it is to turn the hub to the 4 o'clock position and fill it till you can no longer add any more fluid. So while that's draining, I'm going to grab the new oil. So for the new fluid, I do have the OEM Polaris demand drive fluid. I've lost the label off it, but there's the French side. So this bottle was $13. That was quite a while ago. It's almost still full because you use so little. So I'm going to grab a funnel that will work for this. Let's just wipe that. Grab something and we'll pour some in there. So what I'm going to use here is I've got a little cap. It's a spout for a bottle. I've got a few of them, but cut this one to fit the hole, and we're going to use that as our funnel. Now AMSOIL does make an equivalent to this demand drive fluid. I'll put a link in the description below. It doesn't take much. I'm basically going to overfill it, and then the excess is going to come back out. So you're going to go to 4 o'clock. So there's 3, a little bit more. So like I said, I did overfill it, but the excess is going to drain back out when we go to this position. Maybe go a tiny bit further. Or maybe your thing to be sure. Just clean it up a little bit. Okay, take your plug. So be sure to check out my other videos. I've got maintenance videos on all the fluids in the Sportsman. The owner's manual has a different fluid for the hubs and the front drive, and then a different one for the rear drive, plus the oil. So quite a few different fluids. If you're using the AMSOIL makes one that's good for both the hubs and the front drive, and then a different one for the rear. So check those out. Thanks for watching.